Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connect application. And of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. Then you go to the settings at the right top. And right here at the first line we have user manual, so you just tap at this line and it will open user manual in your browser. And right here we have a 7th section, so tap just at the best one for you and you can find some information here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!